Okay, this is 9-34. So we know, or I hope that we know, I don't know if everybody came away with this from what we did yesterday, but I hope that you got that if I do, have a shape, like a prism type shape, that the base area, it's going to be base area, the volume of a prism is base area times height. I mean, I'll just come out and just tell you outright that volume equals base area times height. Okay, so in other words, if it's a hexagonal, well, that's not a hexagon, that's a pentagon. But if it's some shape, it's got 6 sides, it's going to be the base, the area of the base, times however tall the figure is. That's going to give me the volume. So I can find the base of my little hexagon by doing that little triangle thing that we all love so much. This triangle thing where you cut it into...
It's equilateral triangles, I guess. It should be.
Because it's nice because it's a hexagon. And so, Logan, you're saying that these are all 60 right here.
Yeah.
Because 6 times 6 is 36. 360 divided by 6, these are all 60. So if I take this one triangle out, make it bigger so I can work on it, I'd have a 60-degree angle, and I'd have a 14, and if you remember how to find the area of these things, you gotta get a height right there. So, you cut it, and it's 7
DJR,
now.
technically speaking.
And it's DJR. So I'm gonna use, so that's 14, and that's 7 root 3. Okay, that's the height. I don't have to use Pythagorean theorem if I know about DJR, the half equilateral. So you just, whatever this small side is, it's this longer leg is that times root 3, because it's similar to the 30, 60, 90 triangles that we've seen before. So, and then I know area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height, but I have 6 triangles. So 1/2 times base, I'm going to use this triangle, like that. That's my triangle I'm talking about. So the base is 14 and the height is, we don't know. The height is 7 root 3. Okay, so 1/2 of 14 is 7.
Well, you don't have to have the 1/2 because you're going to have to multiply by 2 again, so just multiply.
Whatever. You know what? That mess, every single time I've done that, and you guys have told me that, we've got it wrong. So I'm still saving a step by calling this set, it's whatever way you do it. It's 49 root 3 times 6. Is that the same way when you do it your way?
Yeah, actually.
Because half of 14 is 7, and 7 times 7 is 49, and 6 times 49.
Before, I did 2 different ways, and they both equal 84.87.
Yeah, I'm not going to do that trick anymore.
Times 6.
Because we've got it wrong every single time.
23.
This is the whole base, the whole area of the whole base, because it's 6 times 49 times root 3. Now, if I want to just get it into a decimal, I can ask my calculator 294 times square root 3. Times 249. I got this thing. I got 431.28-ish. Now, so volume, we said is base area times height. If that's the base area, I can get the height by dividing that by that. So I'll just go 2546.13 divided by 431.28. So 254, well, whatever that says right there, or whatever your calculator says when you go 294 times root 3. You can do your own.
394 root 3. I get 509.22.
Oh, when you put these in your calculator? Oh, thank you. So maybe I did it wrong.
I got 509.22, so 0.23.
Oh. Okay, so I pushed the wrong button.
0.23.
I rounded it.
Yeah, it'd be 0.2229. So it'd be 223.
Exactly.
So
that's a 3. The second 2 is a 3 because
I've got 3 2s in a row.
Oh yeah.
Okay, 2546.13 divided by the area of the base, 509. Thank you for checking that. I'm bad at pushing these buttons. 2546.13 divided by 509.22. And I got about 5. Okay, so I think that this height of this thing was about 5, and I can check it, and I got the answer book. 934. Yep. So did I do everything I was asked? So we got to find surface area. So find the height. So the height. So you actually want to box in your answer for the height. It's 509. Oh wait, sorry. Wait. Find the height and surface area. Then the base.
We don't have surface area.
So all we need is this is the only part that you need to say for your answer, because that's the height of the prism. We don't have surface area. Surface area is the top plus the bottom plus the sides. There's a whole bunch of sides, right? There's 6 sides.
They're all 14 times 5.
They're all 14 times 5. So it's going to be 14 times 5.
Times 6.
Yeah, so what's 14 times 5?
420.
420 times... Oh, okay, so it's 14 times 5 is 70, and the size
is 240. I mean 420.
Okay, all together.
All the same.
I know, I asked a question and you didn't answer my question, Silas answered it, because I said what's 14 times 5 and you said it was 420. The size altogether, if you guys can believe me, is 420, because it's 14 times 5
Yep.
times 6. Okay, that's the size. Okay, and then there's a top and a bottom. Well, the top and the bottom, I can just take, remember,
509.
it was 49 root 3 was the area of the triangle, wasn't it? Oh, no, wait, blah, blah, blah. It was 509, yes. It was 509, but there's 2 of them. Yes. 509.22 times 2 equals this number. So that's 1018.44. Add the 420 and then you get 1438 point. Let's see if you both got the same answer. Yes, they got the exact same answer. That's the surface area.
What are we doing next?